Good day, this is the Professopher, CBMD PhD, and today's Monday, January 2nd, 2023. It is 3:26 and 19 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, far out galaxy. So let's hop to it here. Light from outside our galaxy, brighter than expected. Date December 16, 2022. Source, Rochester Institute of Technology. The scientists analyzed new measurements showing that the light emitted by stars outside our galaxy is 2 to 3 times brighter than the light from known populations of galaxies, challenging assumptions about the number and environment of stars are in the universe. The New Horizons mission to calculate the cosmic optical background, the sum of light emitted by stars beyond the Milky Way over the history of the universe. If the cosmic optical background brightness does equal the light from galaxies we know about, it suggests there might be missing sources of optical light in the universe. We see more light than we should see based on the populations of galaxies that we understand to exist and how much light we estimate they should produce. By determining what is producing that light can change our fundamental understanding of how the universe formed over time. While an unobscured measurement of the cosmic optical background is difficult to achieve from the Earth due to the duel between planets, the New Horizons spacecraft is at the edge of our solar system, where this foreground is minimal and provides a much clearer view of this type of study. The scientists hope that future missions and instruments can be developed to help explore the discrepancy. And this has gotten to the point where it is an actual mystery that needs to be solved. They hope that some of the experiments they were involved in, including Cyber 2 and Spear X, can help us resolve the discrepancy. And this is the Professopher, Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, and Mathematics. And this video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.